Organisms. Chapter 3. Seeds, their structure and germination. For all type of exams including JST, BPS 5 to 15 or others. Before going to the video, if you haven't subscribed my channel, please subscribe and press the bell icon for more updates. Chapter 2. Microorganisms. Microorganisms are grouped as virus, bacteria and fungi. Escherichia is an example of bacteria. Common cold is caused by flu virus. Which are largest microbes among bacteria, virus and fungi? Fungi. Yeast is an example of fungi. Which are the non-cellular organisms? Virus. Penicillium is fungus that produces antibiotic called penicillin. Any disease caused by presence of microbial organisms in the body is called an infection. Which microorganisms can prepare their own food? Some bacteria. Which microorganisms live in the human intestine and help in digestion? Lactobacillus. Which microorganism is used in the production of alcohol? Yeast. Which microorganism converts milk into curd? Lactobacillus. Which microorganism is used in the production of antibiotics? Fungi, e.g., Penicillium. Which microorganism is responsible for malaria? Plasmodium, a protozoan. Which microorganism causes tuberculosis? TB, Mycobacterium tuberculosis. Which microorganism is used in baking to make bread soft and fluffy? Yeast. Which microorganism is used in vaccine production? Virus, weakened or dead forms. Which microorganism is responsible for cholera? Vibrio cholerae. Which microorganism is used in nitrogen fixation in soil? Rhizobium bacteria. Which microorganism is the smallest in size? Virus. Which microorganism helps in recycling nutrients in nature? Fungi and bacteria, decomposers. Which microorganism causes athlete's foot? Fungus, trichophyton. Which microorganism is used in the production of vaccines for polio and measles? Virus. Which microorganism causes food poisoning? Salmonella bacteria. Which microorganism can survive extreme conditions like heat and dryness? Bacterial spores. Chapter 3. Seeds, their structure and germination. What types of seeds are there? Monocot and dicot. Seed coat is known as testa. The opening of the seed is called micropyle. Mini plant inside the seed is called embryo. Which part of seed develops into new plant? Embryo. What emerges first in new plant? Roots. Structure that emerges from the soil of new plant is called hypocoty. Seed germination in which the cotyledons emerge above the ground is called epigeal germination. In which type of seed the process epigeal germination takes place? Dicot seed. Seed germination in which the cotyledons remain inside the soil is called hypogeal germination. In which type of seed the process hypogeal germination takes place? Monocot seed. A part of seed that contains stored food is called endosperm. Most seeds germinate between the temperatures 16 to 24 centigrade. Which three conditions are necessary for seed germination? Water, oxygen and proper temperature. The small scar on seed coat which shows the point of attachment to fruit is called hilum. Which part of the embryo develops into the shoot system? Plumule. Which part of the embryo develops into the root system? Radicle. Seeds that have only one cotyledon are called monocot seeds. Seeds that have two cotyledons are called dicot seeds. Example of a monocot seed: maize, wheat. Example of a dicot seed: bean, pea. The protective outer covering of seed is known as seed coat, testa. Food stored in monocot seeds is mainly in the endosperm. Food stored in dicot seeds is mainly in the cotyledons. The process by which seed grows into a new plant is called germination. During germination, which part of seed absorbs water first? Micropyle. The process in which seeds do not germinate even under suitable conditions is called dormancy. Which plant hormone helps in breaking seed dormancy? Gibberellin. Which plant hormone prevents seed germination? Abscisic acid, ABA. In monocot seeds, the protective covering of the plumule is called coleoptile. In monocot seeds, the protective covering of the radicle is called coleorhiza. The process of soaking seeds in water before sowing to soften the seed coat is called pre-soaking, imbibition. Seeds that require light to germinate are called photoblastic seeds. Seeds that do not require light for germination are called non-photoblastic seeds. In epigeal germination, cotyledons act as food storage and photosynthetic organs. In hypogeal germination, cotyledons act as food storage only. Example of plant showing epigeal germination, bean seed. Example of plant showing hypogeal germination, maize seed. Which process breaks the seed coat to allow water and gases to enter? Scarification. Which part of seed is rich in protein? Cotyledons.
Thank you for watching our video. If you like the video, please share with your friends and family, and do not forget to subscribe our channel to show your support.